sound of vowel U. Now children, today we will learn sound of vowel U. U says A. Alphabet G. G says G. U-G, ug. Alphabet N. N. U-N, un. Alphabet T. T. U-T, ut. Alphabet B. B. U-B, ub. G-U-G, jug. B-U-G, bug. M-U-G, mug. D-U-G, dug. H-U-G, hug. U-N. F-U-N, fun. S-U-N, sun. B-U-N, bun. R-U-N, run. G-U-N, gun. Word family un. Then H-U-T, hut. N-U-T, nut. C-U-T, cut. B-U-T, but. S-H-U-T, shut. Word family ub. T-U-B, tub. R-U-B, rub. C-U-B, cub. H-U-B, hub. These are sound of vowel U. I think children, you all are understood very well. Ug word family, un word family, ut word family, ub word family. Thank you for watching.